There's the bird. He flies into the...
Doing this better?
Hold on, hold on. Flies into the thing. He's got something in his mouth. He does some work inside the pot. He comes out. He's been doing this every 20 seconds. And flies away. Let's see, we'll wait the 20 seconds and see if he comes back. Do-do-do-do-do-do. They're doing something in there. That was a different bird. I'm recording. Do-do-do. Okay, maybe it's longer than 20 seconds. There he is. He's back in there, doing some work. He had something in his mouth. Every 60 seconds. And then off he goes. It's pretty neat.